Hi guys, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about a watch that I recently purchased for my husband. It's by Kenneth, New York. Usually I go for like either Kenneth or Michael Kors watches. They have some really, really wonderful selections. I noticed he had like a black watch, a white watch, silver watch, but he was missing like a dark brown one. So I wanted to find like a nice dark brown watch that would be, stainless steel and water resistant and all that. So I came across this. This is Kenneth Brown stainless steel watch, men's watch, and the number here is KC15114004. And they actually have the number listed here on the back. I'll just lift it so you guys could kind of see. So like a little difficult to see with the chain in the way. I'll try to lift this up for you guys. Okay, so this says water resistance, 347 meters. So okay to like go swimming and snorkeling in, but not scuba diving. And then on the back here it says stainless steel back and 15114J, Kenneth, New York. And it came in this really nice box actually. I always keep the box for like nice and easy storage for whatever like jewelry comes in. I always try to save the box. And the watch is like really pretty. I love it. I think I got this kind of like I think it was a Christmas gift from last year. And it's brown stainless steel case, and it comes with a brown stainless steel bracelet, brown dial, quartz movement, and it's water resistant 30 meters, case 42 millimeters. And then here is the box that it came in. It came with this nice cushion that says New York. Let's see what this says that this comes with. It says, congratulations on the purchase of your new Kenneth New York timepiece. We are incorporating both traditional and forward-thinking design philosophies into each unique and modern product. In efforts to reduce our carbon footprint, copies of our watch instructions, warranty information, and foreign language version are available by visiting our website, www.ginavogue.com. So I like that it came with this nice little cushion just to ensure that, because I actually ordered it online during shipping, everything would be fine with it. Really easy to adjust settings with like the timepiece and everything, turn dial on the side. And it's just like it's a really beautiful watch. Here it has like a diamond accent, and you can see here it says diamonds. The links you could easily take off or put on if you need to. And then it says Kenneth right in the middle here. If you guys can't see, it'd be a little tough to see because it's like brown on brown. But really shiny, could be easily cleaned with like a little microfiber cloth if you wanted to clean it that way, just to like keep it shiny and nice. And I think this looks really nice, like not just casually, but like if you want to like go to an event with it on or something. I know he's worn it to a wedding where he had to wear like a charcoal gray suit. It kind of, you wouldn't think that would match, but it actually matched quite nicely. And during the shipping, it had like 2 plastic pieces on the end here. So that kind of like also cushioned it during the shipping. So I'm definitely really happy with it. I love Kenneth watches. Like they're really nice. They're super long lasting. And all you really have to do is just clean them up a little bit, like shine it up here and there. It's hard to scratch them. The stainless steel is nice with the quartz movements. And it's just really, really beautiful. So like I said, any occasion really to wear this to, even to work if you want. Anytime you gotta wear a suit. It's gonna look a little big on me, but it's easy to put on. Very easy to read. Simple yet elegant, and just overall really nice. And masculine looking, but not crazy masculine looking. I mean, if this was a woman's version of the watch, a little smaller and not as thick, I would wear it myself, because why not? It's definitely a good looking watch. And I'd say it's in between like casual and luxury, and definitely an affordable price too. I love Kenneth. I actually have a Kenneth watch that I got years and years ago, and it's lasted me at least, I got this maybe like 12 years ago, my Kenneth Cole watch, and I love it just as much as the day I got it. So the diamond accent is really great. And then like the light brown with the darker brown kind of just like really complement each other very nicely. You have the dark brown, and then you have like the shiny, lighter, copper looking brown. The colors are cool, and they basically go with anything. You could definitely wear like this with a black and white suit, and it'll look nice. Brown suit, gray suit, basically match anything almost. And then if you want to store it, you could easily store it back in the box around the cushion just to ensure that it's in safekeeping. So guys, this was a Kenneth Cole brown stainless steel watch in men's, KC 15114004. I hope you guys check it out, and I hope you love it, and I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching, everyone.